Good day, good day, good day. Hello, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just want to show you before we get some activity on this bot. This is currently where everything's at. What you can see here at the bottom, daily target reached. So now pausing until midnight. I've talked about this numerous times earlier today regarding some of the latest videos here. This one right here, build mega wealth by selling daily return target, and compounded interest. So in that video, I show you a demo of how you can, in short order, build up quite a big account in crypto trade with crypto trading by achieving these goals here of 1%. So in my case, what we were able to achieve here was today being on August 23rd. Took 14 hours to achieve over 10 positions. We got our goal at 1.415% for the daily return, and we had a win ratio of 50%. So that's pretty good. And the markets have just started turning positive now. As I said in that video, don't get greedy. Take 1%, whatever you can get. But right now, everything's at 0.71% with a weighted average among the Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin, Ethereum Classic, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Litecoin was earlier up at 3%. Everything else was negative about a few hours ago, so it's been fairly negative for those 12 hours. So we've achieved the goal for today. So let me show you what were the movers. These are the latest movers. We have Theta, which moved quite well, but this was the big one that pushed it over. It always takes one position. Waves was moving quite a bit at, we'll retrieve 1.09%, so that achieved our goal. That's all it usually takes, and we just shut everything down because we want to retain that profit. I have time and time again seen where we can get up to 2.6, and then if I let the bot run the entire 24-hour period, it will start to lose its profit and get maybe down to 0.5%. So it's best just to take 1% or whatever you can get and shut everything down. So as you can see here, other coins that were attempting to make some profit. Again, here we could see we made a little bit of profit here with Waves here at 0.166. Ren made a little profit as well, 0.0 or 0.05. But Ontology 0.21, but it struggled where it was kind of choppy towards those end of the trades to 0.10. This one I haven't seen before, but it's usually a stable coin against the stable coin. These two here, that's how bad it's getting, where you have the stable coins performing better than Tether. So they don't return much at all. So I'm surprised. I should take them out of the mix. But regardless, they're comparing like a US dollar against the US dollar set of coins here. But the attempts were there, and that's how slow the market was. So essentially, it was Waves that made it happen. So just wanted to show you that it is possible to achieve that in a fairly negative day. As I said, with the probability of you not making money at all, even if you reach 2.5%, 2%. When the market goes against you later in the day, you can start to lose that profit. So don't get greedy. Set your daily target. In my case, I'm at 1% daily target. We've achieved it, as I said here, for the 23rd of August, 2:19 or 2:20 p.m. today on Sunday, and we achieved that goal. So I just want to quickly show you that. We'll see how it goes tomorrow, and if we can continue to get our 1% each day, we'll do well. So this started, was implemented on Friday on the 21st. But it got 0.78. Yesterday was a brutal down day, but we eked out a little profit, 0.078%, and today we returned 1.41%. These other ones, again, I said were due to probably not stable internet where I was when I was traveling around. And we'll leave it at that, see how it goes over the next week. Just thought I'd show that to you, and thanks for watching.